You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely, and I'm your willing victim. My friends already told me, but I don't wanna listen, 'cause I love the way you hold me, and I don't need a reason, 'cause I don't wanna be.
I can't take it. I wanna see it all brighter. I should learn to let it go. I know I've never been a fighter. Let me know how I can grow. And if I seem to get closer, it's all getting out of hand. I have this never-ending screaming, always going in my head. We're on our own. Everything's an act, all so alone. Stuck on dial tone. We're on our own. Everything's an act, all so alone. Let me just go home. Let me just go. out the faces, find myself some peace of mind. I know I'm never going places, do they have what I can't find? When the life is getting harder, every thought is just a dread. I have this never-ending riot, always marching in my head. We're on our own, everything's an act, all so alone, stuck on dial tone. We're on our own, everything's an act, all so alone. Let me just go home. Just go. We're on our own, everything's an act, all so alone, stuck on dial tone. We're on our own, everything's an act, all so alone. Let me just go.
I've seen enough things to lose hope, and here I am still going. I am even stronger now. Evil is looking around you, and maybe I'm mistaken. You know I'm feeling right, like something on my face, something in my veins still hurts. And I don't know what it takes, don't know what it takes to move on. The more that I've done, the less I've become. I just live forever within our souls. Some do even know, and life will go on, and then we'll become just nothing at all. Just nothing, just nothing, just nothing, just nothing at all. Nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. And then we'll become just nothing at all. We've seen all the way to ourselves, just to know what it meant, so you took it away. Till time try to connect it, just like gonna forget it, and night is down. There's something on my face, something in my veins, still hurts. And I don't know what it takes, don't know what it takes to move on. The more that I've done, the less I've become. I just live forever within our souls. Some do even know, and life will go on, and then we'll become just nothing at all. Just nothing, just nothing, just nothing, just nothing at all. Nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. And then we'll become just nothing at all. have things to lose hope. And here I am still going. I am even stronger now.
But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream?